Prepping for my distribution tour. Definitely don't want to get my hair in those beautiful Isabellas.
No, it's the head.
Oh, this is the head.
Shoes are head.
My new jacket.
Tell you on the bus, it's meth. How to cook it, why to cook it.
Very wise to use hands.
Can you get drunk from the smell? 36,000 bottles per day. And I'm going to drink about 10 of them. So they crush them.
The grapes and the grapes and the under pressure.
What? Push the red button.
You can feel how cold that is. Like, look at the condensation dripping off. So as you can see right here, this is the kosher wine, vino kosher, and this is the only kosher wine, at least I was just informed, that's made here in Colombia.
I want to just really walk in the chocolate factory and just dive in like Augustus Gloop. Hey, Gloop, get out of the water.
Is it on all day? Todos los días? Todos los días.
24 horas.
24 horas.
That translates to 24 hours. That's the pool water you want to drink. Take these out of your printer, and you have fresh ink. Oh my God. Here, dude, take a whiff of it.
So do I take a sip?
No. Yeah.
Ponle agua.
Chug it. I won't do that again.
No.
Oh,
Caroma. Agua?
Water.
Agua.
I'm drinking better stuff under my sink before.
I thought it was decent.
No solo filmar, también oler.
Guys, slugs it. Not bad, right?
Oh, it's pretty good.
What? I like it.
Muchas gracias.
The tour continues in strictly Spanish. This is Scrooge McDuck's at Brandy's. I'm the light guy today.
Here we go. Dip.
And again.
Flip. Dip and flip. Spin.
Right away.
Oh.
Alta.
Alta.
I deserve this.
$500 brandy down the drain. For fun. That's what we're here for on the bus.
Nope.
We're in our beaks.
Nope. Yep.
I'm drenched. And brandy.
Más joven.
I need the alcohol. It makes me feel good.
This kid's tanked. I'm getting there. And we haven't even hit the bottling room yet or the taste testing. The chemistry lab.
He's really spellbound. Don't let him deceive you when he says he can smell things.
I smell colors. It smells like beige, but
You can only smell one color, beige. They're bringing out their finest Manischewitz for us. Shabbat shalom, everyone.
sorry, Rabbi. But it's super cool that Don Daniel is creating kosher wines in the community because of this. So like he's distributing to 8,000 people. So it's for my dad. It's flavorful. It's not the same as a normal wine. It's like extremely sweet, dulce, but very flavorful.
Whoops. Tastes Jewish, right?
Yeah. Bien.
Sorry, let's start shipping that to America.
Put the brandy glass bottle in here. The thing is poured inside. Trust me. I know what I'm talking about.
I understood none of that.
I wonder if they use Wabi. Wabi's technology. So it can't be tampered with. Fuck you, Walden Chain. It's like they brought in 2 kindergartners and do some arts and crafts. Today we're going to be putting macaroni on glue. Not only am I putting it on paper, but I'm sniffing the glue.
Can't listen to anything he does. So I'm a little tanked off brandy. Not too bad. And what we're doing now is we're going after these famed Isabella grapes. Cut this. The animals here, they prefer these fruits over the uvas, so they put these trees in to provide them food, control the ecology, the ecosystem, and protect. So not only are they creating sustainability, they're also protecting the crops. This looks like a mustache. This is the life cycle of the Isabella grape. The baby, the Hovan, the green hardened ones. Then you've got the next level a few months later after 21 days, followed by the nice purple ones, the ones that your probably local grocery store gives you a little too early. And then the succulent mother of all grapes, the Isabella, cloudy beauty. You probably take home and jerk off to late at night. I do. Shit.
I don't even know what city we're in right now. But regardless, I know I'm eating some Isabella grapes. If you don't know what one of these are, go check them out. Don't just go check them out. Or find out where they're growing. Just eat them off the tree. They make a delicious wine as well. I'll tell you one thing. If you don't do what you love and love what you do, so here's a good question to ask yourself.
Thanks for watching this video. If you want to see how we made it this far on our journey, check out one of the other playlists on the sidebar or click the subscribe button below to keep watching our journey. Now come get on the bus with us.